Welcome to our live training session number 31, part 5. We're going to be taking a look at finishing up the rest of the fuel and ignition timing tables on our high cam of operation, dialing in our cam angle blend table, and our VTEC engagement. We're going to have a lot to cover, so let's jump into the live training session so we can get started. Welcome back to our live training session here with our 8th gen Supercharged Civic Si. In the last video, we took a look at doing our high cam fuel and ignition timing tuning for our 0-degree cam angle pairing. We set everything up, we've optimized the fuel for both part throttle and wide open throttle. We've set our spark timing tables up based on what we saw on our low cam and then adjusted them. We definitely saw a decent amount of power increase. In fact, coming up on the screen right now, we can see that we have our dynograph. We made 217 pound-feet of torque and 328 horsepower. So looking at this, going from our red line here is going to be the pull at our initial pull, just setting up our base file on the high cam. Set everything up being conservative, and then we finished off here with the purple line. So huge power increase here by going in and dialing in the spark timing, which was about 4 to 5 degrees higher from the low cam compared to the same load operation range. And then we've obviously needed some more fuel, and we dialed all that in. So at this point, we're ready to jump now and copy our 0-degree fuel and spark timing tables into our 10-degree tables. That's going to allow us to evaluate if going from 0 to 10 is going to be a positive gain or not. So what I'll do right now is jump into my fuel table here on the high cam. I'm off my lightning bolt, I'm on the live data, so I'm able to click on high cam 0-degree. So I'm going to copy my tire table from columns 1 to 20. I'm going to move into my 10-degree. I'm going to paste. And next we're going to go into our spark timing here. Go back to 0, go into the spark timing on the icon 2, which is high cam. We're going to go copy 0 and paste it into 10. So moving up into the cam angles, we're probably going to anticipate running at least 1 to 2 degrees more timing every time we jump up into the next cam angle. So what I'll do here, since we've copied and pasted that, I'll do Control J and I will add 1 degree to the table just to get things started. And then we'll evaluate this if it's going to be a positive gain or not. Now the next thing we have to do to jump into our actual cam target table, we're going to be highlighting the entire table over across all of operation points. Do Control J and we're going to be setting this to 10 degree so that it's going to be going into that 10 degree fuel and ignition timing tables because we're commanding it here in the pairing, and it's going to actually rotate the cam. So we should see here is cam command and cam actually go to 10 degree now on the high cam. So we're going to evaluate this and see what it's going to do. Now what we're going to find is that most likely we're going to need an overall fuel trim value that we have to add here to our 10 degree table, probably 8 to 10% fuel, I'm guessing, because it's going to pick up the power and torque about that much. It's going to be even going here for the part throttle. So we'll do our actual full throttle pull. We'll see how much we're off by. If it's showing us a consistent 8-10%, then I'll just highlight the entire table and add that back in, including the part throttle area of operation, because that shouldn't really change too much. So let's go here. Let's get to our lightning bolt. And let's go ahead and save it. Now, one more thing I want to take a look at here if we jump into our graph. This is going to be the graphical data from that last pull. If we actually click off the lightning bolt and trace through, we're going to find here the injector duty cycle is at 71%, approximately 69, 70%, 71%. So our injectors are still okay, and we're going to be fine, probably going up in power. I'm anticipating this making about 400 horsepower on this boost level here of 12-13 pounds, but we'll see where we end up at. As we go up in variable cam timing, we might notice that the boost here drops a little bit from 12-13. We might be at 30-degree cam angle, and we might only be at something like 10 or 11 pounds of boost. So it's not going to be uncommon as we dial in some overlap with the variable cam that we do push some boost through the engine and we lose a little bit, but we will be gaining cylinder filling and engine efficiency, so it's not going to be a big deal. I'm not going to be worried about the boost drop, but I just wanted to make you aware of that during the tuning process, that you may see the boost drop as you're walking up through the cam angles. All right, so let's go ahead and fire up the motor real quick now. Let's get back onto our... Thanks for checking out our teaser clip. If you want to see the rest of this video and more than 500 hours of current EFI training we have to offer, make sure you click right here. If you want to go and check out more teaser clips from this training course, click here, and you don't want to miss any of the videos we're going to be releasing on this channel, so make sure you subscribe and click here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.